Imagine walking into a company that's struggling, missed deadlines, unhappy customers, and a chaotic team. Decisions made don't solve real problems. Now imagine another company, efficient, growing, and thriving. Here, problems are spotted early, and changes happen smoothly. What makes the difference? Business analysis. Welcome to BA Bits, where we break down business analysis into simple insights. In this series, we will take a journey to understand the interesting concepts business analysis. And it all starts with one question. What exactly is business analysis? At its core, business analysis is the art and science of solving business problems. It's like detective work, uncovering issues and recommending solutions. They help businesses make smarter decisions, improve processes, and create solutions that work. Business analysis goes beyond fixing what's broken. It involves asking key questions like, what does this business really need? What can we do to make it better? How do we ensure that change is successful? Business analysts see the big picture, spot the hidden challenges, and connect the dots between business goals, technology, and people. Every business faces challenges. A company might struggle with outdated processes or poor customer experience without proper analysis, which leads to the waste of time, money, and effort on the wrong solutions. That's where business analysts step in. They bridge the gap between problems and solutions. If a company wants to launch an online store, a business analyst asks questions like, who are the customers? What features do they need? And how is this project going to impact the company's operations? Business analysis is broad, used in many industries like banking, healthcare, and retail. It impacts everyday life too. Business analysts take on diverse roles, including data analyst, process analyst, and business intelligence analyst to deliver value across different business areas. Now that you know what business analysis is, you might be thinking, how do business analysts actually do their work? What skills do they need? What tools do they use? Great questions, and that's exactly what we'll explore on this channel. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into the core concepts of business analysis and its various elements. If you're ready to think smarter and make an impact, stick with me on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us to watch more interesting videos like this.